it's Helen and welcome to my super small London kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make mint sauce. It's so much nicer than store-bought, with just 3 ingredients and a few minutes of hands-on time. Perfect for your lamb this Easter, or indeed at any other time of year. So let's get cooking. So first of all, we've got our mint. This is just common or garden mint. You don't want anything fancy like spearmint, lemon mint, or any of the other myriad varieties. So I'm just going to strip the leaves off the stalks. Discard any of the larger, the sad, sorry, and wilting leaves. And now we're going to chop. If your knife skills aren't good, you can pop all of these into a mug and then use a sharp pair of kitchen scissors to chop them up. I've started to chop my mint, and what I like to do is put the sugar on now. So this is 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar. And I find it makes everything more abrasive and grippy and makes your chopping easier. So I'm going to now carry on chopping. I don't know why the sugar helps, but I find it's much easier. I'm going to finish chopping this, push it together, and the final chops. Annoyingly, you have to do this by hand. You can't pop it in a food processor because otherwise you'll get pulp. Transfer the chopped mint to a bowl. I'm now going to add 3 tablespoons of just off the boil water to my chopped mint and sugar and give it a good pound with the end of a wooden spoon, just to get lots of the flavour out of the mint. I remember this was one of my jobs when I was little, probably about 10, and making mint sauce for Sunday lunch when we had lamb. So that's pounded, and you can see there's some colour from the leaves and a lot of the fragrance from the mint would have come out. Finally, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar to give it some tang. You could also use an apple cider vinegar. I don't recommend a malt vinegar or a darker vinegar such as pickling because it's far too astringent and it will destroy the mint sauce and your lamb. Give it all a stir. Ideally let this stand for about an hour before you use it. And now transfer to a pretty bowl to serve and to enjoy with your roast lamb. And there we have it, beautiful homemade mint sauce, perfect for enjoying with your roast lamb.